Check, check, check.
Traffic 47 Hotel Alpha, left cross on 27 block.
We're getting ourselves situated here. Thank you guys for flying along today. Short flight up to Savannah, Georgia from Palatka, just south of
Traffic 47 Hotel Alpha, left down 127 block.
just south of Jacksonville. And we're going to send the flight plan over via flight stream. And the crossfield did work. That's good. That's good.
Traffic 47 Hotel Alpha, final 27 block.
And Palatka traffic, Twin Cessna's taxiing from Terminal 227. Check the brakes. Flight controls. Steering. It's about 60 degrees outside, which is a
Traffic 47 Hotel Alpha is on the go, runway 27 left foot traffic.
which is a wonderful temperature to have, because it's not too hot when you're inside. I've got the jackets on because it's below freezing up at 8,000 feet. And looks like our buddies over here at Skydive Palatka have a new jump airplane. Well, new to me.
Palatka traffic, White Skyhawk, 47 Hotel Alpha, turning left crosswind. Traffic 47 Hotel Alpha,
around just to help us with stopping, to make sure that we're stopped while we do the run-up. And for the run-up, aux fuel pumps on, everything's going to be forward. We go to 1700 RPM. We're going to check the mags, and we'll go from there.
Flight traffic, 47 Hotel Alpha is turning left state for runway 27. Flight traffic.
And now to check the feather on the props. Should go down right to just above 1200 RPM. Then switch them back. And if the engine has been running for more than 5 minutes, which is usually the case for me, the engine oil is warm, so cycling that oil into the hubs is a good thing. We checked the alternators already. All right, back through the checklist. Now checking traffic.
Traffic, 47 Hotel Alpha on the go, left coast traffic, pocket traffic.
And Palatka traffic, Twin Cessna is taking 274 northbound departure, Palatka.
Approaching runway 27. Entered runway 27, 5,900 feet remaining.
Flight traffic, 47 Hotel Alpha is turning left crosswind for runway 27. Flight traffic.
And nobody else around. Good. Back into the checklist one last time. Strobes.
Traffic, 47 Hotel Alpha, turning downwind for runway 27, left downwind.
All right, airspeed. Engines are good. Little gust there. And let's go. Gears coming up. Tap the brakes. Couple of birds on the departure end. And one nice thing about flying in the winter time is that you get a nice turbo boost in these normally aspirated engines without the headache of the turbos. And Palatka traffic, Twin Cessna, left crosswind 27, last call, departing Palatka. already over 1,000 feet. So we can come back off of the props. And the aux fuel pumps are off. And now we'll pick up our flight plan.
Flight traffic, from Port Hotel Alpha, turning final for runway 27.
Coming up on 2,000 feet. And Jax, Twin Cessna 69846 request. 69846 looking to pick up IFR going up to Savannah. And 69846 say squawk again. 5506 for 69846.
Approach 574 November Delta, direct Dante, level 5000 with information Alpha for
2. We're passing 3,000 feet.
574 November Delta, level 5000, direct Dante for the ILS from my 29, and we have Alpha. 574 November Delta, General Approach resident. Delta's going to maintain 3,000. And maintain 3,000, Scott, 574 November Delta.
And we're 4,400 now.
Jax departure, hello again, Cherokee 4661 Romeo, 800 for 3,000 on the climb out. Cherokee 4661 Romeo, Jax departure, ident. Identing on Romeo. Cherokee 61 Romeo, we're going to contact 2 miles southwest of the Gainesville Airport, calling maintain 5,000 for direct. 5, direct Bolt, 61 Romeo. 46, we're going to contact 8 miles north of Palatka Airport, Gainesville, altimeter 3011 to altitude leaving.
3011 leaving 5,000.
646, roger. You're clear to Savannah Airport via direct, climb and maintain 9,000, say altitude leaving.
846 standby. I'm changing the altimeter. Leaving 5,200 for 69846 for 9,000.
955 Delta Juliet, contact approach 118.6. 118.6, Bear 955 Delta Juliet.
Okay, we're on our way up to 9,000. We're passing 5,500.
I'm showing you about 25 degrees left of course for Bolt. Just confirm your direct Bolt.
We are
We're correcting direct Bolt, 61 Romeo.
5.5 minutes into the flight. And the plane is performing well. We're already at 35 degrees outside, 35 degrees Fahrenheit outside and dropping. So probably about 65, 7,000 is going to be freezing. And of course the freezing level will go down as we go further north.
Jacksonville, seaplane 527 Sierra Alpha. Hey, good afternoon. We're about 10 east of Quito on the way to Palatka, and our box shows the TFR in between Palatka and Keystone. Do you have any more information on that, sir?
Sierra Alpha, I do not. There's no TFR that we're aware of between Palatka and Keystone. There's restricted airspace south of Palatka, but that's all cold right now.
Roger, it says TFR 39622, 2,000 feet to the surface.
Give me those numbers again?
Yes, sir. It's 3/9622.
Alright, Sierra Alpha, do me a favor, just call up 0446 for just a second. As long as you're talking to me, you won't have any issues, and I'm gonna look this up and figure out what the heck you're saying.
Thank you. 0446 527 Sierra Alpha.
Next approach, there's 28 Romeo Lima. Cirrus 28 Romeo Lima, 16 miles to the south of Gainesville at 3,000. I'd like to request the practice let's fall by RNAV.
That was 816 Lima Delta?
It was
Sorry, I missed the call sign. Who's asking for a practice approach to Gainesville?
Cirrus 28 Romeo Lima requesting practice.
Cirrus 28 Romeo Lima, maintain VFR squawk. You got something else in the system. Let me figure out what your other flight plan was.
All right, folks, well, we're 8 minutes in.
20205.
We're passing 7,300. 8 minutes in. We'll get to 9,000 here shortly.
Flashback, I think,
Not a whole lot going on. Nice clear skies. And if you guys have any comments, and by the way, we're at freezing outside. If you have any comments, anything you want to ask me about the airplane, please do. I'll try to answer them on the next flight. And glad to have you guys aboard. The autopilot
28 Romeo Lima, I found an IFR for you. Were you wanting
still isn't working,
Or are you just going to do all this vehicle?
but that's okay.
I will pick up the ISR for 28 Romeo Lima.
28 Romeo Lima, 45543 and maintain VFR for now.
5543, maintain VFR for now, 28 Romeo Lima.